So today we're going to work on subtracting 23 from 70, or 70 minus 23. When we do subtraction, we are taking one number away from another. We always take a smaller number from the bigger number. So we're going to take 23 away from 70. We have 70 blue counters and 23 red counters. Let's count the blue counters real quick. There's 10 in a row, so we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Good job. Now let's count the red counters. There's 2 rows of 10s, so we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Great job. Now we're going to subtract. So what we're going to do, so we can see it, we're going to take all these red counters, so the 2 rows of red counters, and place them on top of 2 rows of blue counters. Good. Now we're going to take the ones, so our 3 ones, and cover 3 more dots, 3 more blue dots. Great job. Now let's count our remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So 70 minus 23 is 47.